Hello everybody. Today I want to show you how to cut the LED strip light inlet and use the fast connector to connect it. And normally we buy the strip light is in real, one real 5 meter. Just like this is 3825. The PCB is 8 mm. And this one is 5050. The PCB is 10 mm. Then we have a different connector fit for different LED strip light. We have the single color. This connector is for single color. One end is cable, the other is connector, and we also have this like this one. Two end is connector, the middle is wide. This is used for some angle, just like this. One side is strip light here, and the other side strip light is here. And we also have RGBW connector for RGB strip light. Also, we have color change. Here, color change, three cable. This is for RGB change LED strip light. And this fast connector for middle, two side. This is easy to use. Let's check. We can check this first. Open it. Then we can see here. To make sure it's connect well with the connector, then it's okay. So let's check it. Then it works. Now we make another test to use this middle connector, connect two pieces. Connect two piece LED strip light. Then it's okay. And we use another kind. But we have to make sure the negative is the same negative here, same negative and positive. Otherwise, it won't light. Sometimes it's little difficult. The connector, you can use the seals to fix it. Then it can easy to put it in. We need to make sure it's connect well. Then let's check if this one is connect well. Then you see it works. And we can use this one to see if this is working. It can work. So you can see that's easy to connect two pieces together without soldering. Of course, if you know how to soldering, that is also easy. Then it's okay. Right here. For this middle one, this middle one, you can let this put it in. Connect it. sometimes we need to fix the connector. If it's not easy to connect, fix it. Use a scissor. Then we can check. We can check if this is working. Then it's working well. It's working well. That's easy to use. And we also can use soldering in some projects. I suggest use soldering because soldering is stronger than this one. Sometimes you can if the connector is not very well, then push it out. You can push it out. So I suggest you can soldering. Soldering also is easy. I can show you. That's easy if you have a soldering machine. How about we can use this one? We can use this one, for example. This is used soldering. First, gives the soldering press and negative. Then you see it's easy. Also, the soldering machine is not expensive. It's almost $10 US the cost. So if you are using the LED strip light more often in projects, you need to. I suggest you have to buy a soldering machine. That is better for project. Then you see, it's easy, and this is perfect. And I suggest another one because some customers don't know how to cut the LED strip light. Normally, the LED strip light have a cut mark here. We can see here a cut mark. This is DC 24 volt LED strip light, so there's normally it's 6 LED per unit. Here you can see the cut mark here. So we need to cut in the cut mark, just like this. Cut it here. We have many kinds of LED strip light and different kinds of connector. You can find in our website. That's all. Thank you.